Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a
snowman.
A cool and cute snowman. Yes. Alright, are you ready? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Now before we get started, we're going to need some drawing supplies. We're going to need something to draw with, like a marker. We need some paper to draw on, and then we're going to need something to colour in with. So you can use markers, colouring pencils, crayons,
oil pastels,
paint, whatever you like. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here and we're going to draw a super cute snowman. And when we draw cute, it normally means we're going to draw a really big head, lots of round shapes, and cute faces. So in this area here, we're going to draw a nice big round circle. So let's draw that. So we go around like this. And if it makes it easier to draw circles, you can always turn the page over and do it little by little, like this. There we go. You did a very good circle there. Okay. Alright, and now the next part we're going to draw is his hat. So on the top of his hat, he's wearing a top hat. So it's a sort of hat that I guess snowmen normally wear. So what we're going to do there is we're going to draw a little circle, or part of the circle. Yeah, so the rest of it's hidden by the head, and it's the rim of his hat. Now we're going to do the top bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to have two lines going out, and they're on a slight angle. You can add a bit of a curve to it as well. Yeah, and I'm going to join the top around like that.
And we can do the line in the hat.
Yeah, and we're going to do like that as well. Okay. Now we're going to draw the eyes. So we're going to draw the eyes here. So big round circles like that. One there and one there. You can colour them in different colours if you like, but what I like to do is in the top corner I'm going to add another little circle here. And same in the other one there. And that's kind of like the highlight, or the light is reflecting on the eyes. And then I'm just going to colour that in black. Okay, so next part we're going to draw is his nose. So it sits here, and we're going to draw a little carrot for his nose, and it's like basically a triangle. So we do the end there. It's going to have a bit of a curve.
A tiny curve.
Yeah, and then we're going to draw the rest of the triangle nice and long. You can add a slight curve to those lines there as well. Okay, and then the next part we're going to draw is his mouth. And normally we can, well, if you want to, you can draw one line, but what we're going to do is we're going to draw lots of, maybe like about 5 circles in the shape. Because quite often when you make a snowman, sometimes you use maybe like a little piece of stone, or I guess in the old days,
rocks?
Yeah, rocks or coal, and that you can make a shape out of that, or of his mouth. Alright, so let's draw the rest of his body. So the body's going to be 2 parts. So the first part is almost like a circle, but we're only going to stop here. We're not going to carry it all the way around. And then on the same height, we'll carry that curve around like that.
And then we do like a line there and a little bump.
Yeah, that's right. So we'll do the symbol on the bottom. So it's almost like drawing a circle, but we're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop.
Stop.
Yeah, do the same on the other side.
And then do a line.
And then do a line just to join that up like that.
Sometimes you can do 3 circles.
Yeah, you can do it any way you like, really. It's up to you. You use your creativity and imagination. Now, the thing we're missing is his arms. Now, sometimes you use sticks, but I think it's nicer to give him, a bit more rounded arms like that. I think it looks a bit more cuter on him. Okay, now the other detail we're going to add in, you can add a scarf if you like. We're not going to do it this time. We're going to keep it nice and simple. We're just going to add some buttons on there as well. A couple of circles in there. Again, you can do a dot, or you can do larger circles. You can colour them in whatever you like. Okay, so that's our snowman all drawn up. The next part is to colour in. So we're going to fast forward this part and we'll see you back very soon. And we're back. Yes, so we finished colouring in. Now, snowmen are white, so it's very simple to colour in, unless you want to make your snow a different colour. But what I've done is I've added lots of shading in here to make it stand out a little bit. And I've added some extra details. It's actually your idea, Natasha, adding a little bit of snow in there as well, some other details. And you've actually gone further. You've added some other things to yours as well. What have you added?
I added a scarf.
Yeah.
And I did his name, Olaf the Snowman.
Yeah, cool.
And some branches for his head.
Oh, excellent. And I can see that looks like you've given him warm gloves as well, because obviously it's snow, so he's very cold. So there we go, there's our snowman. Well, we hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our other channel, we've got other videos like this as well. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!